This is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. First, let us look at the US markets. And US markets, how to say, one side, the US debt ceiling issue, markets are trying to come down. The Dow was down actually. On the other side, excellent results from NVIDIA, and NVIDIA shot up 25%. And because of that, there was a technological rally, and Nasdaq 100 index, another 52-week high, and it has crossed 14,000. And that is really something very big. Usually markets make a bigger move just before very big events so that, traders will be afraid to take positions, only the investors benefit. Or they may lose also. We don't know the outcome. So just ahead of this US debt ceiling issue resolution, and Nasdaq is shooting up like anything, that is really surprising. So that has brought some positivity to Asian markets. So Asian markets are mostly higher, and SGX Nifty is flat. And SGX Nifty is understandable. That's because Nifty has already rallied more than 100 points in the last 1.5 hours yesterday. On top of which, the Nifty future premium, it is too high, nearly 100 points compared to the Nifty spot. So therefore, it opens flat. But most of the time, I tell you, usually the first Friday after the expiry usually starts flat and makes a trending. And if you can remember, last month also it was the same. So many times the first Friday after the expiry day becomes a trending day if it opens flat. So we need to see, on one, the global cues are good, and two, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers. And so number three, FIIs short position is not much in F&O. So mid cap and small caps actually outperforming. So it was only the selling in index heavy weighted stocks like Reliance Industries, HDFC Twins, and ICICI Bank that brought the markets down for the last 2 days. So in case, if these four stocks go up, then Nifty can easily cross 18,500. I'm talking about the future, not the spot. Spot may be slightly difficult today, and because spot, I think it closed around 18,330, something like that. So it has to go up by 150, 160 point at least. So June month, it's potentially a bullish month for India. Nifty, looking at the open interest, 18,000 put option has the highest open interest, and 19,000 call option has the highest open interest. But 18,000 put is just 330 point lower, whereas 19,000 is about 670 point higher. The premiums also, 19,000 call premiums are much lower compared to 18,000 PE. So this shows the bullishness of the writers. But anyway, I do not want to take a higher risk. So I'm looking at 17.8 PE and 19,000 CE as my position. But anyway, so I decided not to trade in Indian markets. So, whatever suggestion I'm giving, it's only for my feeling. I'm not a SEBI registered, so please understand that. So I also have right to go wrong. So I decided to stop trading completely. from India because I'm not able to manage both the markets, Indian markets as well as US markets. So now I'll be focusing more on trading in US markets. So today the stocks to focus will be Reliance, HDFC, Twins and ICICI Bank. So if these four stocks recover, then Nifty can resume the rally. So however, as I've always been saying for the last few weeks, 18,000 to 18,500 seems to be the range. So either market will break out or market will break down. The probability of market breaking out is higher. So at this point of time. So today is the first trading session, so there is nothing much to talk. And stock specific, maybe Mahindra and Mahindra, ONGC. So these two stocks are coming out with the results. And I think Sun Pharma, I think today or tomorrow is coming out with results. So these are the last batch of stocks. There are very few, and they are mostly not in non-index heavyweights. So they may see some action ahead of the results. So other than that, the overall sentiment will play. And June series will be a longer series with the 5 weeks. It's just only one holiday. That holiday is also towards the end of the month. So usually one has to be a bit careful when the series is a 5-week series, because there is a 20% higher time value. So the time decay will be slower. So anyway, there's nothing much to discuss because this is the first trading session. So we will be able to discuss more on Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.